Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are here with West Kiss Hair. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly unbox her and then we're going to get into the details of the unit. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. It is nice, soft, full, and bouncy. As you guys can see, this is the construction of the unit. It has 3 combs in total and 2 pair of drawstrings at the nape. This is their 5x5 lace frontal unit. It's a closure. As you guys can see, I love closures. This is an HD unit, by the way. She's 22 inches, 180% in density. And then the cap size that I have is a medium. So this is what she's giving us straight out the package. Okay, so off camera, I did go ahead and plug the unit. I'm going in with my Erika J wax stick and we're going to go ahead and slick her back and prep for the hot combing process of it. So now I'm just going in with a pair of sheared scissors, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the excess of the lace. I make sure to get the ends because, you know, that part right there that I'm cutting, if it still shows, y'all, you got to put hair in front of it so it won't show. But make sure you are creating jagged edges as well. All right, guys, so I'm going in with my Wig Dealer melting spray. I'm obsessed with this spray, y'all. I lost it for a few, so when I found the can, I haven't put it down. When it comes down to closures, y'all know closure are super, super easy, and you really can melt the whole thing in one setting. But if you guys are new, you can do sections, but I like to do it all in one setting. So I'm just making sure my spray is nice and tacky, and then we're gonna go ahead and look at the melt, y'all. This closure blended in with my forehead, and as you guys can see, it is gone. Okay, 𝚑𝚑𝚂𝚑𝚂. She is definitely giving us scalp vibes, and I'm making sure I'm stretching the lace too to make sure it's really flat. And you know, we kind of want to give the illusion of a frontal as well, so you can stretch it as far as it can go. Now I'm just going to let it sit for a couple of minutes. I'm actually going to add some hot heat just to make sure everything is, you know, nice and secure. All right, guys, so now y'all know I had to do some baby hairs. I didn't need to do baby hairs, but we're going to do baby hairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a tiny part in the front of the closure. And you know, if I feel like it's too much hair, I'm gonna pull it back, but this is the basic guideline that I am gonna go ahead and work with. I felt like I needed to pluck it a little bit more, so I am gonna do so here. And I'm making sure I'm holding the end of the lace, because sometimes when you pluck it on your hair, it just lifts up. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and cut at an angle, and we're just gonna do like medium-sized baby hairs. Like I said, I always start off longer before I do it short, because you know, if you cut too short, it's no coming back from that. So I'm gonna take my little mini flat iron, and we're gonna go ahead and do some curls. I'm just gonna curl it under, and then we're gonna try to do our swoops the best way we can. So I did go ahead and use the edge brush that they have provided to me, and I'm actually using my, what is it, got2b glue hair gel today to swoop my baby hairs. Like I said, I love them long first, but then if I don't like how they look when I swoop them, I can go in and customize them and cut them a little bit shorter. So like I said, always leave extra room or length on your baby hairs just in case you mess up, okay?
If we never met, babe, if we never met, is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation, I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out.
So today I decided to do like a deep side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and create that part. Like I said, you want an oval effect, if that's making sense. If that makes sense. So yeah, I have to hot comb my part every now and then just so I can see what it's looking like. It's giving a little crooked. So I am gonna go ahead and fix that as well. So now we're gonna add some concealer to the part. Y'all, my lace looks good, okay? But anyway, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and detangle her for the first time, fully detangling her using a wide tooth comb. I then am gonna go in and use some heat protectant. This is the Beyond the Zone, but all products will be in the description section below. And we're gonna add that to the hair, and I'm also using my Sebastian spray as well, just so the curls will last throughout the entire day. So I just fast forwarded this part because, like I said, I'm just doing spiral curls. And that is pretty much it to the video. I'm actually gonna comb it out. You guys are gonna see me comb it out using a fine tooth comb. Like I said, I haven't washed or conditioned this hair. This is my first time installing it straight out of the box. I didn't put anything underneath the lace besides my cream foundation. I had a few snags and tags when I went in into detangle it. So yeah, as far as shedding was definitely a minimal. I did go ahead and plug the closure, so I did get a little bit more shedding there as well. But y'all, I'm obsessed with this hair. Okay, y'all know I already love closures as it is. This was the quickest install. Closures are quick anyway. Definitely feel like it is beginner friendly as well. So that's pretty much it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down below. All the products I use as well be down there. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this method out to get your body waves or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.